Knowledge management is an emerging field in the academic environment. Many upcoming conferences and seminars at national and international level are on knowledge management. Many international universities are actively participating in knowledge management related activities and doing research. It is now becoming popular in education field due to need to disclose the intellectual power available in institutions for sharing experiences. It has great potential and should have equal and even greater significance for education sector. Knowledge builds on knowledge and past events helps in generating new knowledge. In today's presentation, we'll be walking you through the models of knowledge management in an educational sector, which includes knowledge organization, knowledge dissemination, knowledge evaluation, knowledge security, knowledge sharing, training and support, knowledge capturing. Thank you.
Knowledge capture in education is the process of taking the information that resides within an individual's mind, organization, or otherwise inaccessible form to a broader audience and storing it in a place where it can be accessed by others.
There are some ways knowledge capturing can occur in education: lesson plans or curricular activities. Teachers document assessments, project assignments they develop so they can be shared to other teachers or reused. 2. Community knowledge. Parents and other community perspectives are captured via surveys, focus groups, and other areas to improve education. 3. Educational research. 4. Lesson observation. 5. Teachers training, etc. I'm presenting on knowledge organization. What is knowledge organization? Knowledge is a body of information that is acquired by people through observation, study, and research. What is organization? Organization is the arrangement of a piece of information in order to make it easy to be accessed by information users or people that need the information. What is the concept of knowledge organization? Knowledge organization is a systematic arrangement of information to support understanding and retrieval and use it in a way that people can find it effective.
I'll be talking about the significance of knowledge organization, just like my colleague has mentioned earlier on about the significance, about the definition of knowledge organization in the educational sector. Here are some of the significance in which the knowledge organization helped in the educational sector. Number one is facilitate learning, that is in co-curricular activities and in development of knowledge. Knowledge organization frameworks help educators in structure of their learning materials and co-curricular in a logical and sequential manner, building upon imperial knowledge and fostering deeper understanding. We also have knowledge sharing and collaboration. This helps the knowledge organization in the educational sector. It helps in knowledge sharing and collaboration. This is through their lesson book and materials which they give to teachers and the students. It promotes collaboration and ensures consistency in educational practices. Also, we have enhancing educational technology, learning management system, that is LMS, and educational apps. Knowledge organization principles are often embedded in design of LMS and educational applicants to categorize learning objects, materials, and content. Educational resources are often enriched with metadata using relationship with concepts and entities.
My names are Isiaq Mashood Ishola with matriculation number 21/52 Ige Knowledge dissemination in educational sectors. Dissemination refers to the spreading or sharing of information or knowledge with others. Knowledge dissemination is the process of sharing knowledge and information with others so that they can benefit from it. So, knowledge dissemination in educational sectors. Knowledge dissemination refers to the sharing of knowledge and information among educators, students, and other stakeholders. It involves various methods such as classroom teaching, textbook, conference, and research publication.
My name is Isiaq hawal ayinde, matric number 21/52 HJ109. I would like to talk about some effective methods of knowledge dissemination in educational sector. Some common ones include classroom teaching. Teachers plays a crucial role in disseminating information or knowledge through interactive discussion, lectures, and other activities. Number 2, textbook and educational materials. A well-written textbook and educational materials provide structured information and serve as valuable resources for students. Number 3, we have online resources. Number 4, we have workshops and conferences. Number 5, we have research publication. And number 6, we have community engagement.
Good afternoon. My name is Jimoh. I'm here to talk about knowledge security. Firstly, what is security? Security is an act of preventing unwanted access, theft, or damage to assets, whether digital or physical. The term security refers to a wide range of procedure and tools used to protect different assets, such as systems, buildings, people from danger or damage.
Knowledge security is primarily about preventing the undesired transfer of sensitive knowledge and technology. An undesired transfer of knowledge occurs when our national security is at risk. In addition, knowledge security focuses on the covert influence of state actors on education and research. Such interferences threatens academic freedom and social safety. Knowledge security also involves ethical issues that may arise in cooperation with countries that do not respect fundamental rights, academic freedom, is the right of a teacher to instruct and the right of a student to learn in an academic setting unhampered by outside interference. Ethical issues arise when the situation demands and principles to be considered evaluated and applied to determine the right.
My name is Ibrahim Olamilekan. I'm here to talk about knowledge evaluation. Knowledge evaluation is a critical component of knowledge management that involves accuracy to the quality, relevance, reliability, and usability of knowledge within an organization. It is the process of determining the value and effectiveness of knowledge assets to ensure that they are contribute meaningfully to achieving organizational goals and objectives.
What has been said on knowledge evaluation, here are some key aspects of knowledge evaluation in the education sector. Assessing teacher knowledge and skills. Evaluations of teachers' effectiveness through observation, student performance, data, and self-assessments, and observation skill testing. These identify areas for training and development. We also have reviewing learning resources, curriculum resources, textbooks, multimedia materials, and teaching aids are reviewed by subject experts for accuracy, alignment to standards, and instructional utility. We also have accreditation process. External reviews by accrediting body against the standard for quality, ethics, knowledge building capacity, etc. Needs assessment. Identify knowledge skills gaps at individual groups or organization levels to target training and resources. Thank you.
Good day, ma. My name is Ishola Deborah Bidemi. I'm from Group 9, and I'll be speaking on knowledge sharing in knowledge management within the educational sector. Now, knowledge sharing in knowledge management refers to the processes and structures that allows teachers, administrators, and staff to exchange knowledge, experiences, and best practices to improve teaching effectiveness and student learning outcomes.
Knowledge sharing is the process of exchanging information, skills, and expertise between individuals or groups. It is an important part of any organization as it allows people to learn from each other and improve their performance. Knowledge sharing is important in the educational sector for several reasons. Enriched learning experience. Sharing knowledge allows students and educators to exchange ideas, perspectives, and insights, enriching the learning experience for everyone involved. Collaborative learning. It fosters a culture of collaboration where students can learn from each other's experiences, skills, expertise, promoting a deeper understanding of the subject matter. Accelerated problem solving. By sharing knowledge, educators can leverage collective expertise to address challenges more effectively and develop innovative solutions to complex problems. Continuous improvement. Knowledge sharing encourages continuous improvement by facilitating the dissemination of best practices, emerging trends, and cutting-edge research within the educational community. Thank you.
Goals of education, of knowledge sharing, is facilitated through: 1. We have communities of practice where educators collaborate around shared interest or topics. We also have mentorship programs pairing experienced teachers with newcomers. We have workshops, training, and seminars to disseminate key knowledge and skills. Digital repositories and database to store and provide access to resources. Peer observation, coaching, and feedback to share knowledge between classrooms is also part of the practice. We also have leadership modeling and championing of knowledge sharing behaviors. We have dedicated collaboration time and incentive for knowledge exchanges activities. These are the practices that facilitate the knowledge sharing in education sector.
I am presenting a proposed knowledge management system in the educational sectors that entails training and support. Training and support in knowledge management system in the educational sector refer to the professional development in resources and infrastructure provided to educators to help them effectively create, share, and utilize their knowledge. The components include professional development, workshop, and training to build educators' skills in pedagogy, technology, collaboration, and knowledge sharing practice. Peer training and monitoring program that allows teachers to learn from the experience of their colleague. Onboarding and orientation to introduce new tiers to the school knowledge management system and resources. Leadership training to help principal and administrator to champion knowledge sharing and culture.